Hello, we are back. I have literally had the most tumultuous day trying to get to the point where I could record this video.
Clap if you care.
I'm just gonna jump into it. As you can see in this title of the video, I am going to be bleaching my already bleached hair. The roots are coming in and there is still some purple, pigment in my hair.
Oh, wow.
I have a combination of 20 volume and 30 volume developer. We're gonna use the 20 volume on the front of my head, the 30 volume towards the back of my head. For toning, we're gonna be using Ion Toner, and this is in the color Snow Cap. So usually I get like a lavender or like a purple, something that has a little more color so I can mask the yellow remaining pigment in my hair. I'm trying to look like I am frozen. I need to change my shirt into my dyeing shirt. I am going to put on some gloves, start mixing the powder bleach with the developer. I'm going to separate my hair and then we are going to get started. I'm also gonna remove the girls. Y'all can't be in here. I don't want them to be involved with the smell or jump up on the counter while I'm in the process of putting bleach in my hair. So, y'all, I'm a little nervous. Here we go. So this Wella Powder Lightener, 7 levels of lift, and it's in every language, bitch. But this says only to use 20 volume for on-scalp application. I was intending on using 30 volume, so that's kind of tea. I'm gonna do 1 part of the Wella bleaching powder with 1 part of developer. I'm not gonna waste any time, I'm just gonna jump into it. Brad, if you do end up seeing this, I'm sorry, also help me. So I'm gonna start out with 2 hefty scoops, poured 1 ratio of the 30, 1 part 30, and I'm gonna do 1 part of the 20 developer, so that's gonna make this kind of like a power of 25. Haven't even mixed it yet. I'm just trying to show you the full experience. If you are also at home about to bleach your hair yourself, watching a bunch of bleaching fails or success videos, hopefully I succeed. Trying to pray to the hair gods, make today my day to look iconic, to be icy, to be a whole moment. We don't want any kind of unmixed grain of the bleach to just be on our head, because why would we want that? What if a granule later falls off, in your hair onto your bed somehow, you roll over in bed, you smear your eye in that granule, you are blind. Here we go. I'm just gonna do my roots right now, and so we are just fully, oh my gosh, fully going in to the root. I am so nervous. I'm so wary of what I just did.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really.
And so I'm gonna try to just do these sides really quick so they can, lift. I never know what to do with my sideburns. Is this a part of my beard? Is this a part of my sideburn? Is this actually part of my hair? You know what I mean? I don't know. Do I stop here? Do I go lower? When does it go to the point where, hey, that's your beard? I've had this for forever. Literally, I've had these forever. They do have expirations though, so be cognizant of that. If you're yeah, let me bleach my hair with this developer from 3 years ago. Haven't even gotten to the back of my hair yet. Don't know how I'm gonna even kind of do that. Not me trying to talk while I'm in the middle of ruining my hair. Who the fuck is this? And yes, maybe there's a target to us. Get my words, courage or get my variety. So far my takeaway is get a friend to help you, because this is really impossible to do by yourself. My hair looks like it's turning green in this lighting. I don't really know how I feel about that. So now I just want to make sure that my sideburn is as sideburny as the other side. So I'm gonna just try to make sure that everything to the lobe opening, or whatever you want to call that, I just want to make sure this goes to the bottom of my ear hole. Okay, so turning around, tell me how it looks. And this, honestly, that actually really hurts. We are seeing some breakage. We're starting to see some breakage. Oh wow. Some breakage is definitely gonna happen. My hair is looking really green in the mirror. I don't know if it's picking up like that on camera. I'm just now kind of starting to extend some of that bleach to the other pieces of my hair. Oh my god, that piece is so dark, bitch. just a disclaimer, you know, if your hair is pre-bleached, pre-lightened, I may not, you know, recommend doing this for you. But you know, I'm not a professional. I will let the professionals chime in here. Yeah, we'll see what happens. A little nervous. You know, we can just move on to snow cap intensive care, but we're gonna have to see how this goes. I'm gonna wash it out. We're gonna see if there's any, you know, remnants in the back. And if there is, we're gonna have to do this again.
A few moments later.
Okay, y'all, so it has been an unknown amount of time. It's been about 20-30 minutes. My hair is looking so light, but still a little yellow. I did FaceTime some friends and get them to do a spot check of the back because I'm just at home right now alone and I don't have an extra mirror, hello, and I'm using my phone to record. But they were able to kind of like tell me the spots I missed, and I did a few super quick touch-ups. So I'm gonna give that a second, and then I'm just gonna have to get to a point where I wash my hair out soon because it's gonna feel like hay. Hopefully I will be serving you Anime King realness, not me applying this dry, crusty bleach to my dry, crusty, bleached hair. Doing your hair at home, bleaching it, it is scary. It is time consuming. It is like stressful. Like there's so much regret. Like it's just a whole process.
12 seconds later.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
I honestly don't even know how the back looks. I'm gonna prepare another bowl, a fresh bowl, and we're just gonna do a quick little touch up, and we're hopefully gonna lighten it a little more, and then we will come back in with snow cap, and then I do have Olaplex that I kind of want to throw in there, but it's kind of like, maybe I'll do that tomorrow, but it's like, you know, I gotta My phone is just sitting on this box, and I'm telling you the story. Well, I'm gonna put on oil, and I will see you soon.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Oh my gosh, the shirt is so wet.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow.
My scalp is officially irritated. I was gonna bleach it one more time, but I'm definitely not gonna do that. But I'm gonna stay on the healthy side, keep my hair from fully, you know, falling off if I do it again. And so I'm just gonna put on toner now. And it says to use a 10 volume developer, but I've used this before without any developer and it was fine, and especially with my hair kind of compromised how it is now, I don't even want to risk it.
2 very boring minutes later.
And at this point, I just want to give my hair some nice TLC, but really give it to the places that need it, like the top of my hair. Ooh, and she is tingling, my ears are burning. My ears are burning. Casual bleach burning sensation. That is my fault for covering them up and bleaching them. I'm right now just trying to separate and conquer. Work your magic, make me a star queen. I am just going to, you know, let it kind of do its thing. Okay, I don't know if I gave y'all an update, but I have the toner in, and in the other bathroom, the lighting, like my hair looks so much more blonde. In this bathroom, my hair looks super yellow, super nasty, so I'm really hoping it's just this lighting. So I just washed out the toner, y'all, and I left it in for 30 minutes. For some reason, when I was washing out the toner, I saw like these pink, like warm hues washing out, and I was kind of like, wait a damn minute.
Wait a damn minute.
Why is this warm toned? And it doesn't say that it is warm toned. I assumed it was cool toned because like snow cap, hello. Why would that not be cool toned? And I feel like it added more yellow pigment to my hair, which is weird. I mean, it is obviously still wet, so I will do a follow-up whenever like it is dry. No idea what the back of my hair even looks like.
Day 2.
It is the next day. My hair is so messed up. She is fried. She is so dry. She is so thirsty. So you can kind of see I got so much of the dark pigment out. It's yellow now, but it's a pale yellow. So of course I went to Sally's. So I got some purple toning conditioner. I am gonna use Olaplex, see if I can repair some of these bonds, honey. And then after that, I'm not gonna wash my hair for like a week. And I will post an update. Okay, so we're just gonna towel dry and then put in a bunch of Olaplex. So if you have never used Olaplex, there are a lot of different steps. So again, this is number 3. Which is essentially kind of like the bond repairer. We are just going to put all this Olaplex in my hair from root to end. My hair already feels better. It's been like 10 seconds. And we're just gonna get it very saturated and we're gonna leave this on for like 15-20 minutes. And then we're gonna wash it with a shampoo, conditioner, and then leave that purple conditioner in for about 5 minutes, and then we will be done. Hair has been fully saturated. I am gonna start a timer, and then I'll see you all on the other side. And you know, fingers crossed that this completely repairs my hair.
Approximately 10 hours later.
I am checking in here. I used a purple conditioner. I didn't leave it in long enough, but my hair is still drying. Because it is so like porous, it is taking forever for it to dry. But look at that shine. You can see on the sides here, it is like very lifted, very almost white. And then over here, still a little like yellow, still a little pale yellow. So I think leaving in a purple toning conditioner or just like a hair mask or something that's purple and toning will definitely get out any remaining like yellow hues, and then I will be looking like a silver wizard. So I'll follow up in like a day or two once I finally get that purple conditioner in, and we'll just have our closing sentiments.
3 days later.
Yeah.